Once the dough starts to come together in the mixing bowl, tip it out onto a clean work surface. The dough will come together quite easily. Any bits that flake off, press them back into the dough. Put flour on the bench to stop the dough from sticking to it. The basic kneading action is press down and forward into the dough with the palms of your hands. Do a 1/4 or 90-degree turn. Press into the dough again, another 1/4 turn. Repeat this over and over. Most recipe books recommend kneading dough for around 10 minutes. During this time, you will notice and feel the dough becoming smoother, softer, and more elastic. It also becomes less sticky. Kneading by hand is good exercise and a good workout for your arms. Another technique, which you can see here, is to place both of your hands on top of each other. Press down and forward into the dough. Then a 1/4 turn as per normal. So if you get tired of the first technique or action that I showed you, you can try mixing it up with this one. At this stage, I've been kneading the dough for around 5 minutes. It is possible to knead dough by machine, for example, using a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment, but it's quite fun to work with your hands. So I always knead by hand. When you use your hands, it also helps to prevent over kneading. I'll show you the basic kneading technique again, this time in slow motion. Press down and forward into the dough with the palms of your hands. Do a 1/4 or 90-degree turn. Press into the dough again, another 1/4 turn. The other technique is to put both hands on top of each other, press down and forward into the dough, and once again, 1/4 turn. To test if the dough is elastic enough, press into the dough with your thumb and see how the dough springs back. A slow or partial spring back means that you need to knead the dough a little bit more. In this case, I'll knead the dough for a few more minutes and then try the test again. A quick or full spring back means that you've kneaded it enough and you can move on to the next step in your recipe. As you can see, the dough is very smooth. I'll try the test one more time. I'm quite happy with how the dough is springing back, so I'm done with the kneading.